Attempting to return stolen money after being caught is like trying to put toothpaste back in the tube after it's been squeezed out, especially if the loot was kept for an extended period of time. No can do. A sad and sorry predicament of 6 CIDG officers who split among themselves 13 million seized from a Pogo raid in Porac, Pampanga last year. As such, they face serious criminal charges and the likely prospects of doing hard time, as our Ryan Lisigas reports.
6 personnel of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG, are now under restrictive custody. This after the discovery of their alleged theft of millions of pesos worth of evidence seized in an operation against a suspected Pogo in Bagac, Bataan in October 2024. Operatives confiscated about 141 million pesos from the said company, stored in 9 boxes.
It was found out na kulang. And at the same time, it appears na 141 but 13 million is boodle money, meaning fake.
According to CIDG Director, Police Major General Alexander Morico II, the items were brought to the CIDG headquarters, and Police Lieutenant Colonel Jose Joey Arandia was designated as the evidence custodian. However, the officer allegedly brought the items home and kept them there for almost a year.
There was no proper turnover conducted by Police Lieutenant Colonel Arandia based on the investigation. Accordingly, he took the boxes of evidences to his house.
Lieutenant Colonel Arandia also returned the box containing money to the CIDG last October when he was about to be replaced in his position. He assigned 6 police officers to guard the 9 boxes at the CIDG headquarters. This November, the court ordered the CIDG to return the money to the company. That was then it was discovered that more than 13 million pesos was missing.
There was an omnibus court order presented coming from the court. Next slide. So in compliance with the court order on November 20, 2025, the sealed 9 boxes were unsealed in front of the legal counsel of One Bataan, Attorney Cherry Ann de la Cruz. And it was during this time that it was discovered that, next slide, a total of 13,451,000 is missing from the supposed 141 million pesos. In its place, inside the boxes, it contains boodle money.
One of the 6 police officers admitted splitting the money among themselves. Major General Morico also confirmed an investigation is underway against Lieutenant Colonel Arandia. According to NAPOLCOM Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer Commissioner Rafael Calinisan, there is no place in the PNP for corrupt police officers.
You cannot undo the act. So for example, you took 13 million pesos, pinaghati-hatian nyo, o kung ilan man kayo. Tapos nung na-discover kayo, isosoli nyo, you cannot undo the act. You're still criminally liable. You're criminally and administratively liable for doing what you've done.
If it is proven that the said police officers took the money, they will face multiple criminal and administrative charges. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.